Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is August 8th, and let's see what we can do on the Nasdaq futures today. I was trying to bank on a long retracement, and I was waiting and nothing was happening. And I actually boxed the area where I was thinking where the breakout would have gone one way or the other, and she did drop down. So where I'm actually really interested right now, I'm still waiting for a long. We're almost at top of the hour, but what I'm looking at is, unless she severely fails, I'll watch it slowly. We're getting into these sweet spot zones. See where this marker is? We actually blasted through all this area where this bottom marker is, so they really pushed it. We're getting to an extension here, another extension, so I have to really watch. We are in a buy phase, which I think is kind of ironic. They finally inverted. So you can tell it looks like they want to do a deep retracement. So if we actually do a real big, let's say, a swing high, swing low on Fibonacci. Let's see where we are right now. So yeah, we're already at 76.8. So we might be tapped out. We'll find out. And if I see the right opportunity, I'm gonna buy in. I'm still waiting. I'm really close for a buy-in. So we'll just see what happens. Unless if she severely fails by volume. So I'm gonna wait. We hit 10 o'clock right now. And I wanted to see what the price action is going to do. And actually, I'm going to go buy market right away, just in case. So, does this thing shift? Yeah, it does. So I'm just waiting. Just keep it on there for now. Ugh, I hate when advertisement comes up. We'll go from there. I'm just waiting for another one big volume. Actually, I have to do this so we can watch it. So I'm going to watch this to see what happens, to see if there's any number shifting, and we'll go from there. And yeah, because we had a good pull down, so we need a retracement back. And so with a retracement, if it does work, we could get to 1225 to 39.83. That's actually a $1,000 move. But yeah, I was thinking it was going to bottom out where these three line markers are, but it did one more extension. So look to the left. See where we're going into. We're getting into all this volume. 525 is right here, and this is where we're tapping right now. And I'm just watching. And if it doesn't work, then I don't have a trade today. But it was an aggressive sell-off, which it took quite a while. It took until 15 minutes before they did the last sell-off. And it was really interesting because the market opened. There was nothing happening. It was just vibrating. So let's see what happens here. So we're at 10 o'clock, 10:01. Let's see if they do another big push. So they're not done yet, so I'll have to wait. Let's see where our next point of interest is. So at the 525 market, we're just tapping it. Maybe it's this 117 here. You know what we'll do here. 1,100 to 1922. Once we get to that point, then we'll see. Actually, this was where it bottomed out last time. So we got to the 50. Yeah, we're on the 50 marker. So I'll go 117, 1292. Let's see if we can get into this grouping here to buy in. So let's see what happens. Unless she does a snap turnaround right away, then we can get into it. So 41 would have been somewhere around there is the 141 extension. 161 would be 130 right deep in here where the actually volume point of control is. So we'll see. It's a patient game. We can go up to, because we did right now where we are, we're actually at a 128. Actually, I'm going to show you something I didn't show you on the other chart, the sensitivity chart. See, it was a downtrend, and so it's still aggressive. I'm just waiting for exhaustion, and I might be wrong, but see, we're right at 127 extension. So it did hit the extension, bottomed out there. If it goes to 141. Yeah, so let me see, 141, and then they say 1210 is for the range on this one, so we'll see. But there was a lot of sell-off volume, and it's still trying to fight back for the next few minutes here. And I think we might be able to get in right away here. And I'm going to go for it.
Order filled.
Alrighty, put the volume up a little bit more. Let's get a little more volume here. What I like to see is if we can get to, well, there's a 100 level there, so we can probably get to 1225. We'll see if we can get at least $300 here. We'll let them go for an aggressive run right now. We're just getting into it, so. Around 200. Just watching price action. 250, 260, 3020.
Order filled.
There, we're done. $360 today. That was the retracement I was waiting for. And so what I look for is, like I showed you a number of things, and even though the market might be going down, this was just a retracement. There's my honk. I gotta remember what I added it to. Oh, that was an order block honk. So right there, I just put it on there for 100 contracts or more. So maybe we tapped out where I was looking at, and I was looking at a couple areas for the marker, just for the quick retracement. Is we know we were tapping out top of the hour. I was watching price action. The other thing I look at, I was trying to teach you the other day, was as soon as we start crossing over here, there's a good opportunity to buy for really quick or run for a while, but it's still kind of chattery. We have more negative energy than positive. I would have rather taken this trade down, but it was too late by the time, because it chattered way too much for me, so I wasn't sure. And then I looked at top of the hour, and I just watched price action, go for the return, hit 360, look at my marker to stop out at 202 right here. That's where I was cashing out. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email me at abc123trader. Just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and have a good day. Short video, 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Bye.